Back in 2005, we were looking for a recreation property. This property came up for sale, and we really liked the lake and the cottage type of life. We kept coming up here on the weekends, and what I would do is I get up early in the morning and go work and build things, and it just kind of progressed from there. I still have my day job, but this was more of an outdoor type of thing. We were trying to find out a way to create something that a lot of people would recognize as a crafted type of product. Everybody was creating these cabins based on square cants that were being screwed together. They weren't made from a tongue and groove and a molded type of timber. There's nobody up here in the Pontiac area of Quebec that actually was doing that sort of thing. And what we wanted was something that was new, that was better, and that would allow somebody to create something that that was feasible to be able to work with and actually put the thing together themselves as a kit. In the Pontiac region, there's a substantial amount of eastern white pine here, and it's very robust. It will last for hundreds of years if it's maintained properly and put together properly. We've got this unbelievable amount of product here, and we've got the skill, and we've got the passion. It's just a matter of having the right tools to do the job. The Norwood Moulder was definitely at the top of the list, and it's not super expensive, but it's got quality as well. We were looking for a company that would definitely back up their product and that had been around for a while. Even though they were a worldwide company, they seemed to be more of a family-related business, and I've had the opportunity to talk to many of them, and they're very friendly and they want to help you. So with all of that combined, there was no question that that's the molder that we wanted. To be able to do what you really love and have a passion to do it, I think it's good for your well-being. It's like heaven being out in the outdoors and working, and doing that type of work.